Poor air quality takes a toll on your lungs, of course, but also more than that. It's really on your overall health.
While we think of pollution as smoke pouring out of a factory smokestack, experts say there are lots of other sources, both outside and even inside our homes. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a closer look. Doc.
Well, you know, Kim and Devin, when the air quality is poor, we definitely see more people in the ER that are suffering from breathing problems. But pollution can also cause damage over time, raising the risk of many other serious illnesses, including lung cancer, breast cancer, and heart disease.
Anything you inhale is going to get into the body in some way and can potentially cause problems.
Pollution can irritate the lungs, causing asthma, coughing, and wheezing, but it can also cause inflammation in the body.
We have a really strong link, unfortunately, between air pollution and heart disease. And during the wildfire season, for example, we see these spikes in basically heart attacks and strokes.
Dr. Maeve McMurdo is a pulmonologist at the Cleveland Clinic. She says air pollution comes from many sources.
Traffic is a major driver, so traffic-related air pollution we worry about a lot. But things like industry, any kind of construction industry is going to drive air pollution. And then things that are outside of our control, like wildfire smoke, like controlled burns, agricultural dust.
While we can't personally control the air outside, we can reduce pollution in our homes.
If you have an indoor air purifier, a HEPA air purifier, the things like turning on your range hood when you're cooking, because cooking releases a lot of air pollution. You may not think about that. Not burning scented candles, avoiding things like wood fires inside the house.
McMurdo says everyone should pay attention to air quality alerts and reduce your time outside when the risk is higher.
People weren't thinking about it for a long time. You kind of saw it, maybe went, okay, the air quality is bad. But I think people are realizing more and more that actually it can impact their health.
Now, air pollution can be harmful to anyone, but it's especially bad for children, older adults, and anyone with lung disease or other chronic health conditions. Those people, of course, should take extra precautions when the air quality is poor.
Right. Now, I know we report when there's an air quality alert. Is that something that people should be checking for routinely?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, that's a super important thing, especially if you are in a high-risk group. In fact, the EPA also has a free app. It's called Air Now that you can use to check on the current air quality index and the predicted air quality. Just search the EPA Air Now or for EPA Air Now in the App Store.
Very good. Okay, Dr. McGeorge.
Thanks so much.